Well, this fan should take off. And there it goes. Alright, what we have here is a free fridge. Somebody had and they were gonna toss it in the trash. I figured, hey, why not take it back? It'll make a good barn fridge. Kind of hoping for more of an exciting video. What it is, I was told that the freezer works great, the fridge is not working at all. Coming over here, and the first thing I noticed is that the condenser coil is a little on the dirty side, okay? It's quite dirty. So before I do anything, I just want to clean that up a little bit. Alright. How a fridge actually works is its main, as far as all the compressor and all that stuff goes, okay? All this, its main goal, and that's it, to take care of the freezer and only the freezer. Don't mind the messy inside. It's a little dirty and moldy and gross, but with a little bit of cleaning, I think she'll come out pretty good. You know, the top ain't so great either. Let's get this camera around here. Yeah, the top's a little dirty too. But hey, look at this. Comes with 3 water bottles, man. Hey, you can't beat that, right? That's great. All right, anyways. First thing we're gonna do, see if our fan comes on. It appears to be all right. And our compressor comes on. I'm gonna, going by the symptoms, I'm thinking there's nothing wrong back here at all. But we're gonna check anyways. We're gonna see if our compressor comes on. Just basically feel it. You'll feel it starting to vibrate if it comes on. And see if our condenser fan comes on. Okay, we're on. Oh, okay, I can see right there, that's on. You can hear the compressor on. He's running. Alright, so we're good on this side. Check to see if we hear any airflow. I don't really feel much of any air. Let's take this out of here. I'm gonna get out of here somehow. Okay, it's gonna come off right here. Push this way and up. Oh, there we go. All right. This up. Off. Some more panel back. This off. Let's see what we got here. There we go, there we go. Okay, and I don't see a fan moving at all. No. We have no fan movement at all. Let's give it a little help. No fan movement. There's 2 wires on it. You see that right here. There we go. Okay. Fridge is now on. Alright. We have 120 volts. Okay, so if I take this, put this on here, this fan should come on. Oh, and she started. She tried. And she's not working. Okay, so it needs a new evaporator fan. What's that? Oh, she's a little tight, yeah. Sometimes you can give a little help. Turn the power off first. There's that, okay. We'll plug it in. Now this fan should take off. And there it goes. He's running now. Alright. That sounds right now. You can hear it. Oh, she picked right up. She's not gonna last long though. Definitely need a new one. Well, that's it for now. All right. All right. Look at this. We got a package in the mail today. Amazon was nice enough to deliver our part, I believe. Well, open up and see what we got here. That's it, huh? It was $18. Amazon Prime came to like 19 something, 1956 or so. 18 plus tax. So for less than 20 bucks, I'm gonna have a working fridge here. Let's see. There it is. I believe that might be the part number right there. What we're gonna do is just gonna pull the whole thing right out. Pull our wires off. You know that? This wire just pulls off here. We got this one we had before, the motor. It just slides off. There's a little clip right here. So that'll come off here. And needle nose should be able to squeeze this in. Okay, we got it off. We got all this out. There's a ground wire on the motor itself, and it attaches over here. So we're gonna take this off. Don't lose the screw. Now we should be able to pull the ground wire off of here. And just pull the whole thing right out. All right. There we go. And we're gonna take this plate off first. All right, I cleaned it off a little bit. For some reason, I don't know what it is. I don't know about you guys, but a clean machine seems to run better. I don't know. But anyways, this is just gotta pop that new motor in there. She's up. All right, there we go. Get this off. Should be just push start. Yep, that's it. I'll take this apart right here. Let out. Put it in this place. This out. Screw up the bushing. A little washer on there. Yeah. Put these screws back in. Okay. Got that over here. There you go. Put this back on. That's it. It only goes so far. Okay, we know our fan is sitting there like this. Those are wires. So we'll put these two screws back in. This. Put that one on here. This goes on here. This goes straight up like that. This is gonna go right here for the light bulb. Put our ground wire back on. Okay, right here on the motor. Took the little spot right here. That's where this ground goes. The reason being is there's rubber bushings between the motor and here. It's just all protection. Just like before, put this on the motor, and then up a little. All right. this back on. Here. I'll just snap back in. Like that. You'll see them connect here and here. Pop this back on. Just got two little tabs, one top, one bottom. Just gonna go right like that, like that. And that's if you ever want to add an ice maker. All the wiring's there for you. And this goes back in this slot here. This tucks back in there. Screw here. Put this back in here. All back in. Put this back on. Put this on. Ready? There you go. Now that's what it's supposed to sound like. Fan that runs. You can feel air coming out of here, down here. You can feel air coming out of here, and we do. Okay, it's been running for about 12 hours now. And I have two temperature probes in there. And the freezer is running at around 4 degrees. And the fridge is about 35 degrees. It's a little on the cold side. You want to be around 40. I don't want to make too many adjustments yet, but we know we're too cold. Freezer's not bad. We're going to turn this knob down a little bit now. You should roughly be about a third. But I know that we're starting to run cold, so we're going to start backing it off. And let it set, and we'll come back and check it again. Okay, just a little rundown. I told you earlier in the video that the compressor and the condenser coil and the fan, all that stuff, everything down there takes care of the freezer. And that you allow air into the fridge. At the same time, it's the fridge that actually tells the compressor to turn on and off. It's the temperature of the fridge. That would be this. Okay. What we got here is up there. This right here. It lets air go down into the fridge. You always want that around halfway. Just because it says colder or warmer, don't go by that. Put that halfway. It's kind of critical. You'll be wasting energy and have warm food at the same time. Then this one right here is actually what's going to control the fridge coming on and off. It was high here. I didn't know where we stood at the time. We actually filled the fridge with mostly warm products, but it is blowing cold air. And that's why we're going to watch it, just to make sure that it doesn't get too cold. All right, it's been about a day and a half now. Let's see what we got here. Okay, oh, we're running cold, aren't we? That's the freezer. And there's our fridge. Our fridge is freezing. I'm gonna keep turning that down. Yeah, we gotta turn this down. This is... Okay, turn it off. Everything is getting cold here. Okay. Alright, I've been checking it on and off for the past few days now. And let's see what we got here now. It's been staying 5, 6, 4 degrees in the freezer. The fridge has been running around 38 to 40 degrees, so I think we're good now. We'll check it in a couple weeks just to see, but I think we got it. Hey, thanks for watching. Bye now.